I think people more and more understand that this is a great tool to develop companies, to develop your colleagues, to develop your employees, and to seek greater results in business. You have better relationships in the boards, and also I think this is taking us Baltic states closer to Western society. Either this is UK, either this is Scandinavia. We are talking more or less the same language right now, and this is great.
One of the most important and best sources of knowledge is sharing the experience. And in my opinion, this is exactly the main purpose of this course. For people to come together and listen to each other and listen to lecturers who have a huge experience behind their backs. For me, this was the main reason why I chose to come, just to be able to be in this environment and share the experience with others. That's it.
Why I'm here? It's simply just because I want to be a better chairman. Why it's important to be better chairman, I'm thinking more about, in general, this corporate governance issue. And I think that corporate governance, it's about effective leading of the companies. It's about how companies starting to work more effectively.
I found the training session very efficient and very useful, especially in this time, because more and more state-owned enterprises, especially in the Baltics, are turning towards real business making and value creation for the shareholders and for the society as such. And the chairman's, as a position's role in this value creation is very, very important. I'm really happy that I was able to participate in this first training organized by Baltic Institute of Corporate Governance.
It's really about education. It's really about education, theoretical education and sharing. So this is my main expectations.